Hi there, students. A valet. I've also heard a valet and to valet or to valet as well. I think this is a word that the meaning is changing with the change in society. Let's see. A valet is somebody who, in a hotel, who cleans your clothes, who does all sorts of menial services for you. It's a person who performs personal services for guests or passengers in a hotel or on a ship. I think in the US, this is more a person at a restaurant who parks your car for you. So I put my shoes outside the hotel room for the valet to clean. This restaurant has valet parking. Now, in the past, or well, it still exists, I suppose, a valet is a butler. So if you've ever seen Jeeves and Wooster, Jeeves is Bertie Wooster's private valet. Although I think butler is probably a more British word, a valet. Yeah, they've been using the word valet to talk about a butler for many years, but most people nowadays don't have the money to have their own private butler. And then as a verb, to valet, or as well to valet. I think the valet, particularly for the verb, and this is to clean the inside of something, particularly a car. So I had the car valeted, or I had the car valeted. I got somebody to clean it inside and out while it's parked. Yeah. So firstly, the valet parks your car, and then you could ask him to valet the car inside and out. Okay, so a valet, a personal servant of a wealthy person, or an employee who puts your car in the parking space. Valet parking is available for our customers. And then, yes, I asked room service to get the valet to press my suit because I had an important meeting the next day. Okay, so a valet, a personal attendant, a manservant, a gentleman's gentleman. Jeeves is a valet. A hotel employee who deals with the clothes of guests, a valet service. And then a valet, somebody who cleans or parks your cars at a restaurant or hotel. So he gave his car keys to the parking valet. And then to valet or to valet, to act as a butler for someone working as a valet, but also to clean a car. Yeah, so don't get in any of that crap on the seat because I've just had the car valeted and it cost me a fortune. So a valet, a butler, a servant, a gentleman's gentleman, somebody who parks and retrieves people's cars, a person who deals with your clothes in a ship, is a person who's employed for cleaning, pressing, laundering, for the people of a hotel or the passengers on a ship. Okay, so yeah, it would be very nice to get my clothes valeted, I guess. If somebody valets a vehicle, they're paid to clean it inside and out. Or would you like to have your own personal valet who does everything for you? Or maybe if you stay in a posh hotel, you can ask the valet, the steward on a ship, to deal with your dirty clothes, obviously for an extra charge. Okay, so formality, valet. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Old French, valet, which comes from Late Latin vassalus, a manservant, a domestic, from vassus, a servant, from Gaulish wassos, a young man, a squire, Proto-Celtic wastos, a servant. Compare the word a vassal. A vassal is somebody who is the servant or the is beholden to a lord. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Valet or valet.